Amiga guy. The Amiga guy.
Okay, I think we've finished this project. I have fixed this. I'll play the repair job bit of the video. What did I just do? I don't know. Right, TV's on. Amiga is on. We have glorious black and white. This package deal was going with the piano, keyboard, whatever, and that music software up there that I don't know what it is. So let's just hope. Amiga Nuts. I always thought it was Amiga Nuts, but it's Amiga Nuts. I think. Power. There's no disk drive sound because it's the Gotek, so got to get used to that. Right, files, loading to crunching, files, loading into crunching, files, demo. Amiga Nuts. I don't even know if I want to use the tracker anymore. It's just, I'll take a break for a couple of months and then get back into it, but it's just so much easier using Reason. So go with what you know. Yeah, maybe not the design, the program I need for the music I'm creating. So it's not a priority. It's as loud as my little TV goes. It's only one channel, so you go to MIDI. MIDI active, input. Oh my god, it's working. Why do I always get excited when something works? How do I mute the keyboard? So this is done then. It's as loud as the TV goes. Sounds like headphones. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I got it. I can't believe I fixed it. Why am I so amazed? So basically I undid this to see how it's wired, and I pulled that apart and I pulled the, oh, you'll see it in the video, and just clicked it back in place and it's working. So it's going back in its box, and then I will put the cover back on this. I want a little mount through the cover to screw the Gotek down, and that's ready to go. It'll go with this. Unfortunately, if I want this in the future, I'll have to buy the parts again, but I've got to get the credit card paid off. Otherwise I'm in trouble. So that's a package deal. That DSS 8 Plus and all the software and whatever the hell whatever the hell SoundQuest is. Cool, thanks for watching.